Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to listen to a web page on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to listen to a web page on your iPhone is go ahead and open Safari and then visit the web page you want to listen to on your iPhone. So let's say the web page I want to listen to is this. Now to listen to it, once you open the web page, just go ahead, click on this icon on the address bar. Then locate and click on listen to page. Then hang on.
How to blur photos on iPhone. Adesanya did it on April 18th, 2024. With your iPhone Photos app, you can blur unwanted parts from a photo taken on or outside your iPhone or from a screenshot.
You see that? You can also pause and play the audio player by clicking on the icon on the navigation or on the address bar. Then
The
play,
iPhone app depth.
pause, forward,
With your
rewind,
iPhone Photos app, you can blur
and you can also increase the speed here to up to 2x. Play it now.
parts from a photo taken on or outside your iPhone.
You see that? So that is exactly how to listen to a web page on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.